I can make simple sentences in English, but when it comes to some exams like TOEFL and IELTS, or when I want to use my English in advanced level, it's a big problem for me to make complex sentences. Hello, this is Sarah from English with Sarah, and I'm here today to help you learn English better and easier. Today I want to explain you how you can change your simple sentences to some complex sentences. I'm going to give you some examples of some connectors to help you connect sentences to make complex sentences. Let's go. One simple way to make complex sentences is using adverb connectors. We can use adverb clause connectors to make some complex sentences. There are different types of adverb clause connectors. First of all, what is a clause? A clause is a kind of sentence that is dependent on another sentence. It means it contains subject and verb, but the meaning is not complete by itself. It needs to another sentence to be connected and to be complete. So in order to connect two sentences, we also need a connector. And here we are going to use adverb clause connectors and we're going to learn how to use them. Okay, the first kind of adverb clause, it is adverb clause of condition. If is very familiar for all of us. You can use if to connect two sentences to each other to make complex sentences. Other adverb clause connectors of condition are provided that, providing that, in case, unless, and whether. For example, it is impossible to be successful if you don't have enough information. Here, there are two sentences. The first sentence, it is impossible to, and the second one, if you don't have enough information. The connector if connects the two sentences to each other. The second group of adverb clause connectors are adverb clause connectors of contrast. Connecting two sentences to each other, one of them has a meaning of contrast or opposite of another issue. The connectors are although, even though, while, whereas, and though. For example, although the weather is cold, I'm not wearing an overcoat. It shows contrast. The weather is cold. I have to wear an overcoat, but I don't. So although the weather is cold, I'm not going to wear an overcoat. We are making complex sentences. The next group of adverb clause connectors are adverb clause connectors that refer to place. It has two connectors, where and wherever. For example, I will come with you wherever you go. Two sentences. One of them, I will come with you. The next sentence, you go. The connector is where or wherever. And the other group of adverb clause connectors is connectors of manner. They are as and in that. They show manner. As the nurse had already explained, all the visitors need to leave the hospital. As connects these two sentences to each other. So, with using very simple methods and using some connectors, you can change your simple sentences, upgrade your sentences, and change them to some high level and advanced complex sentences. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wait for the other videos.